Welcome back to part 2. So here's my little tiny little 8x8. I think I'm going to just do, I don't know. Crap. Okay, I'm just gonna pour this on here and just spread it out. Figure it out while I'm doing this. It's a small little canvas anyway, so I should do 2 of them so it can be a set. Let me grab another one right quick. Make sure I'm in view here, which I wasn't. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. All right. I think I'm going to man, I really don't know. This was literally like a last minute thought. I didn't really have time to think about it. But I think, do I have any paper towels back here? Oh yeah, I have a couple. All right. All right, so that's what I'll do. I'll make it a set. I'll make it a swipe. Just going across here. A swipe with negative space. I think I want to do a little curve. And I have to fix. Actually, I'll use I can see some of the white canvas coming through, so I have to do that again. put some more down here. I didn't even put any silicone in here. I actually forgot that I wanted to put it in. I mean, well, I usually put silicone in when I'm doing swipes for more cells. And I didn't do that because I wasn't really expecting to do this, but it's okay. We'll just see. Okay, well, I'd be very interested to see how this turns out once it's dry. I just hope that this doesn't stay too dark. But if it does, I mean, maybe it's not that bad. Maybe something will come through it later. Because it sure isn't coming through right now. I don't know. You guys gotta let me know what you think about this one. I mean, I don't know. Maybe, maybe when it dries or as it's drying, more colors will come through here, more of the gold. This is, look, that's my little bubble wrap. I'm kind of on the fence with that, but we'll see how it dries. I think they look good together. Or should I do it again right here? No. I know I need to do it over here though. That's because the paper towel didn't reach over there, so. Man, look what I just did. Totally wiped the white paint, the black paint through. Probably because I didn't have enough there. Why am I having so much trouble with this? Try that again. Maybe I was too heavy on it. Okay. Well, I'm going to leave this alone. And I will come up, do a close-up of this. So again, thank you for joining me today. Tell me what you think about this unexpected part 2. Hey everyone, so I had to cut this video off right there and do a voiceover. So after the video, I looked at this picture and this painting and I realized I really didn't like it. I tried to convince myself, but upon convincing myself or trying to, I realized that I could not convince myself to like this painting. I didn't like the little swipe lines in this video. It bothered me. I mean, I keep saying this video, but I didn't like the swipes, the swipe lines in the painting. Plus, there was no silicone in it. But as you can see in this close-up right here, those little tiny swipe lines was just getting on my last nerve. I kept saying, it's cool, it's fine, but it really wasn't cool and it really wasn't fine. So I had to change it off camera, and here's what it looks like now. Now, doesn't this look a million times better? First of all, you guys, please let me know in the comments if you think this looks better or the one previous before I changed it. All I did to this one to make it look better is add silicone to the remaining paint I had left over and reswiped. That is it. And now I have the cells that I was looking for, and the color and the gold. You can see all the different shades of gold in this painting. The other one, those tiny little lines, was driving me up a wall. I tried to convince myself, but it wasn't working. So here it is dry, and look at it. That, to me, I'm just so happy I decided to change it, because if I didn't, I would have been full of regret and really angry with myself for not following my first mind. It turned out perfect. The cells look fantastic. You can see the gold, everything. Oh, I'm just happy. So guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments. And I appreciate you, and I appreciate your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.